At Red FM, we have got this beautiful lady in red here.
I thought you just beautiful means you want to talk about my gown only.
Yeah, beautiful lady in red. Like I can just slip.
Okay, thank God. I think you mentioned beautiful. A beautiful gown only.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
No. When you're in red, you're automatically very beautiful.
Red is the color of the season.
Oh my God, you're looking so pretty. Show your nice roses.
My nice roses. See my nice bindi also. Yeah, and
nice
kind of
lipstick.
a red lipstick and kind of a jhumkas also.
Who are you wearing today?
Komal Sood.
Oh, very nice. Now ask me.
Okay, who are you wearing today in this
beautiful gold gown? Yeah, this is Rishita Mitali.
You're a trophy. You're IIFA trophy yourself today.
Oh my God, take me home.
Only you will come home, I guess. Otherwise, I'm never gonna get an IIFA trophy.
Why do you have this feeling?
Me and awards don't have a great relationship.
Oh come on! With so much of talent, you say that.
Still.
Oh come on! There are so many years to come. IIFA has just turned 18, and just turned 18.
Sweet 18.
And I think on the 18th year there is way more chance that they would take a very brave and great decisions.
Yes, please inspire IIFA.
Absolutely. What are your feelings for IIFA this year? 18th
It's the first IIFA actually for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the first time I'm attending IIFA. It's the first award season for me this year. I haven't attended any awards before this, even though I was nominated for quite a few this year.
Yeah.
So I haven't.
With most obvious reasons.
Yeah. So yeah, I didn't attend. This is the first time I'm attending. Also, because we get to spend so much of time with people from our industry around for a couple of days instead of just one evening and go back, because we're all here stuck in New York. So that's
stuck in New York.
Stuck in New York.
Tell these people it is not stuck in New York. They would die to be here.
Okay, I have a very sarcastic sense of humor, guys, and I fall in trouble very often because of that. Please try and understand.
Yeah, take conditions.
Yeah, it is sarcastic sense of humor that we are stuck in New York, so we have to put up with each other. So yeah.
Ooh. I would love to put up with all of you guys.
Oh, I'm not complaining.
Okay. Tell me if you are actually stuck with one person in New York in a hotel room, who would that be?
I have. Can I choose two?
Huh? Okay. Oh. Yeah.
Like, actually, let me choose three.
Oh, it's getting wilder.
My current crushes. Andy Murray and Sam Claflin. Okay. And then I just can look at this man and admire him and just keep watching him on screen for hours. That's Robert Downey Jr.
Wow.
So I guess
these
all
three men in Taapsee's room tonight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
You wish.
Oh, no. You wish.
I wish.
I wish it was my command that I could just say that. Your wish, my command, man. Let's just make it happen.
We wish.
It is 25 years of A.R. Rahman. I'm sure you have been listening to his music since you were like a toddler or something.
Yeah, actually.
So, which has been your favorite track of Rahman sir?
Actually, I have quite a few in my playlist. I love his Roja. I love his Bombay.
One song you have to play for Robert Downey Jr.
Ye
of Rahman sir.
Diya, ye khula aasmaan, aa gaye hum kahan hai mere saathiya.
Then you will have to walking with him on the streets of New
York.
Yeah.
In my head, I'm already doing that.
Amazing. Acha, one thing that people who come to New York, they must do that Taapsee would suggest.
I think you should not repeat a restaurant, and from breakfast to dinner, you should just keep going and trying different cafes.
Which is your favorite?
There's no one. Actually, I've tried all of. I haven't repeated any.
Yeah.
So, and most of the time, it has been really good experience. You should. I mean, there'll be really
recommend one place,
So I've recently gone on for breakfast to this place called Blue Dog. So that was really good. There's I'm very bad with remembering names apart from that. So this has been latest, so go there.
Okay. Anything to shop?
Shop, yeah, of course. New York. I mean, if you like sales or no, New York is on sales entire year, so it's good for everyone to shop.
Best deals in the world.
Yeah,
you
actually,
you
get it here. Yeah.
Yeah. So you must come and shop here, and you might just meet Robert Downey Jr. and Taapsee on one of the New York streets.
Yeah, but I thought we were in the room.
There they can't see you.
Yeah, there.
Unless you let me do Facebook Live there.
बस हम उसी की कसर भागी थी.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, Taapsee. I hope that you win many IIFAs in coming years.
My shelf is empty till now. So
IIFA must take the responsibility to fill it up.
Yeah, please IIFA.
Yeah. On that note, there are so many Red FM fans there. You want to say something to them?
All Red FM listeners or viewers now.
Yeah, from the Pink Girl.
From the Pink Girl who's in red today. Thank you so much for all the love so soon. I'm not complaining, so just don't take it like that. But thank you so much and keep watching my films. I'm just going to make sure I live up to your expectations. And I love expectations, so please do have expectations.
Bring it
out
on.
of me. Yeah.
Bajate raho.